Mama was good today.
The birthday of the life. What happened? What happened? Did they give everything school?
No homework.
No homework? The night is not the birthday of the life. Because there's no homework. So guys, this is back from school. Pull up. Guys, we have unboxing, two unboxings from temu. Let me keep this one here. No, this is my package. So, wow. I got this hanger. And temu. Now check out this thing.
The thing will hang away.
How can they?
They are working. You cannot see your face.
Oh, what's these hangers? Let's keep it aside. Okay. I got this sticker to hang things on the wall. There are things I want to hang on the wall. So I got this sticker. Here again. Okay. Another hanger. Okay. Oh, this hanger is so small. But it's for kids. Is it finished? So small, no? But it's kids hanger. So manage it. So any other thing? Hey, wait. Temu will not kill me. See the peg. I ordered pegs. Why is it this small? What is this? Guys, can you see? I ordered pegs. I'm going to insert what I ordered versus what I got. Very small. I beg. Another what I ordered. So guys, this is the second order. Second order from temu. Where is it playing?
You see, it's playing.
Let me not go and cut something. Okay. The first, this is the most important one. What is in here? Let's see. What? See, God, I almost tore it too. The scissors. I spot the nylon. Okay. This is a bed cover. This one. They say water cannot pass through. Waterproof. I got this waterproof bed cover for my baby's bed. Okay. I got this hair straightener. Let's open and let's see what is there. I just open it because voila. See me, I'm even tearing the carton. I don't know how. Okay, sealed though. Imagine my village people will not kill me. It's sealed. Your boss will leave you on me. I think I don't. To unbox this thing, why is it hard? Okay, finally, we've unboxed it. Okay, the hair comb. Guys, this is it. To straighten my kids' hair, especially greatness hair. She always cry whenever they are combing her hair, so this is going to help a lot to straighten her hair. Okay, spray bottle. I love this color. Spray bottle. And last but not least is finished. This is for me. This is my own. This is my own. Okay. This is my own. Comb. So I got hot comb for my wigs. I'm so happy I got this for myself. So guys, that's everything we ordered from Temu. But I love every other thing, you know. But this peg and this hanger is one thing I don't understand. So that is it. That is everything we got from here.